Kathy, and this is Teal Ops, and we're leading today. I'm teaming with Ron.
Who's Ron? Oh, me.
The leader.
And what are we doing today?
We're taking some new best friends out for their virgin voyage at Citrus.
And who are these new friends?
I'm Susan. This is Rob. I'm the virgin. This is Earl. We're taking him out for the first time.
What is Earl?
Earl is a 2023 Jeep Willys Wrangler.
Sounds silly.
It does. Silly Willy.
And we have
Joe and Craig and Bluey.
and Bluey. And we have
Tina, Kevin. Kevin drives. Let's call it
Any
Mad
other-
Stinger.
Either that or mellow yellow or
2020.
We're going.
Let's do it.
It's almost sunset.
Go find those little hills.
Kathy's new gift from her crazy Jeep gang for her birthday is working great. It's a trail cam, dash cam, grill cam, some kind of cam. It'll hopefully keep her from running over me
Doubt it.
or off a cliff
Doubt that too.
or through mud,
I doubt that.
through clay,
I doubt that.
over rocks.
Yeah, doubt it.
All right, it's not gonna do anything. It's just gonna let us see when things go crazy.
Who is this nice person?
You can do it. Let's go. Come on. Don't be a sissy.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
The challenge here is to get up this without running over my camera. So we good on that?
I make no promises, written, expressed, or implied.
Right now. Yes. More pedal, more pedal, more pedal. There you go. Come in. Right now, come push that. Are you locked?
No.
Stabilize this thing? Yeah. Wow. Did you see? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Easy. And nobody hit the camera.
A little bit faster. Faster. Alright, good line. Keep easing forward. Keep coming. Keep coming. Go up over that rise, and then your right front's going to go up over that and then drop down. And we'll start climbing on the passenger or driver's side, and then we'll get out there. Keep coming. Right side's going to ease down now. Left side's going to climb up. Alright, you want to go ahead and give it some pedal down. Climb on up. More pedal, more pedal. Turn your wheel passenger. Turn your wheel passenger. Passenger. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
He says easy, easy. I'm like, he tells me to hit pedal and then he tells me easy.
Y'all know better. You have your camera on in there? Turn your wheel passenger. Alright, you see how I'm telling it? Passenger, 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 go passenger. Turn your wheel, there you go. Back driver now, back driver. Good job.
It's good.
All right, come back. In this series of clips, you get a great shot of the Apex Auto Links in action. We'll post a link in the description.
Don't go past me. You'll run over my finger. Left slightly past me, slightly past me. There you go. Keep going. Alright, going out there. I'm feeling some mayhem.
Down or up?
Both.
She did both.
It's not bad.
You're disconnected, or?
So the guy parked over there. No, I'm over there. I've been through it. What, down this way?
Yeah.
Well, we went on the more right. We came up and she went down again and then came back up. So
It looks worse than it is. It's not.
well, y'all got a winch?
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll do it in then.
I'm saying, I'm with you.
Oh, it'll stop you, don't
Turn this way. There you go, straight down, straight. Trying to ease up on the right there, and then we'll drop down. More gas. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Justin.
I'm Justin.
Nice
Ron.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, that's great. You know what? Having a roll cage is much better than hitting the ground on your motorcycle.
Yeah. Or asphalt.
Oh yeah.
This was Susan's first time off-roading ever, and this was the first significant obstacle she encountered. She was a little nervous before we started, but she did very well.
On your wheels, after you. Alright, now, steady throttle. More throttle. Keep coming, more throttle. As you start going up, though, you want to let off so you don't hang on. Keep coming, more throttle. More throttle. Ease off in.
This is another excellent example of brake lock differential in action. It's not quite as effective as lockers, but it will work, especially if you give it the right amount of RPMs.
Congratulations! I told you!
Hey, I did it!
How'd you like it? Wasn't it cool?
It was fun. I don't know what y'all are so afraid of.
Hey, like I said, the best part is listening to him.
Who was afraid?
Rob was trying to talk me out of it.
Oh, it's Rob's fault.
Hey,
She said you were trying to talk her out of it.
You're right.
2.5?
It's kind of scary to stand down there watching.
and looking at it from here, you're like, oh my God.
It's addictive, right?
It is.
It's like tattoos. Get one and you keep doing it, right?
Well, I got one and I'm not keeping them. I'm going to keep doing tattoos.
Yeah, when you go to Windrock in Tennessee, then it's really addictive.
Did anybody bring any whiskey?
We don't drink on the trail, we drink after.
Well, I mean, I'm kind of off the trail now. All hail Susie.
Yeah, that was impressive. Very impressive.
That was her first time she was scared. And
She did it.
She took it.
Before I was backing out when I
I saw you. I'm like, come on.
Yeah, it's definitely more washed out than it
All right,
was.
thank you guys. Nice to meet you.
Well, enjoy it.
have a nice time in Florida.
Guys.
Kevin wanted to play in the mud.
Bluey said, nah.
Aw, Bluey.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
We had some really nice January weather with temperatures around 60 and beautiful blue skies.
July.
Easy. There you go.
Somebody just went on 3 wheels.
Run over that edge. Bluey did it with style. Barely lifted her hind leg.
That's the first from movie.
With this being Susan's first ride, Bluey got promoted to tail gunner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.